In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a unilateral plantar flexion isometric hold. So firstly, what does isometric hold mean? Well, it means when we hold something at the top of its movement, there's no change in muscle fiber length. So what we're going to do in this example is I am going to be working my right leg here. So I'm going to be coming up into a calf raise on my right leg. So when I come up into that calf raise, I want to keep my knee nice and straight so it doesn't bend at all at the knee. I'm going to pop my hands in contact with the wall, and as I come up into the calf raise, my left leg is going to flex at the hip. So this is flexing at the hip. You might want to stand further out and find it easier. The harder you go, the closer to the wall or fixed object you're going to be. So from here, we come up into flex position at the hip, we come up into your calf raise, and then we just hold it there. So that is the exercise in its simplest form. My knee is directly in line with my hip, and for the other side, what I would do is I'd swap my feet around. So I'm bringing the foot that's closest to the wall into that calf raise position. I straighten out the knee. I come into a position where both my hands are on the wall. One leg comes into a flex position at the hip, so knee in line with hip. I then come up into my isometric hold, which is my calf raise. I'm on my tiptoes, and also I'm on my forefoot, and I hold that position for the desired amount of seconds and repetitions. That is how to work your plantar flexion unilaterally and isometrically with the hold.